Hey everybody, it's your girl Lavina, and today I just wanted to come and have full disclosure for anybody new or anybody just finding my channel. Well, let's just start with here. I just turned 50 and I have less than $100 saved. Okay? Now, I've been on my savings journey about a year and a half now. A year and a half. And in that year and a half, this is my third time starting over. I will be starting over with $0 in my binders, okay? And I'm not ashamed of it because, you know, I had to pay bills. We had to pay bills. I'm a mom of two. I'm a wife, and you know, we had to pay bills for some reason. You know, not trying to make excuses or nothing. It's like for me, you know, I just keep having to spend the money, y'all. I just keep having to spend the money. But, you know, this time we're going to try something different. And if you can relate to what I'm saying, never stop trying, okay? Never stop starting over. It's okay. You know, I beat myself up the first time. I beat myself up the second time. Well, actually, this is my third time starting over with $0 in my binders. I'm the type of person that, you know, continues to try. And I recommend if you're going through hard times right now, or if you feel like giving up, or if you've given up already, to, you know, keep trying, continue to try, okay? Because what they say, winners never quit. And quitters never win. Okay, we winners today. No matter what these binders reflect, you a winner if you have the courage to step out on faith and start over and try again. You know, because it can be done. Because I've done it twice. I just had to spend the money, y'all. And you know, I'm not going to be down on myself. You know, it is what it is. I'm not the first and won't be the last. And you can tell yourself that too. Okay? So if y'all been on my channel, y'all know I'm really not into budgeting, okay? But I don't know, maybe that's a reason why my stuff been going left. And I don't know what I'm doing, okay? I don't know what I'm doing with this budgeting. So if y'all have any advice or y'all see something in this budget that I did wrong or something like that, let me know. Now, y'all, let y'all into my brain, okay? So my brain tells me with my budget, I'm going to add my Home Depot checks, which is bi-weekly. I'm a part-time Home Depot employee. And I also do gig work. Now, I took $100 a week, expected growth. I mean, not growth, expected savings for the whole month. Now, I'm sure I'll make more than that, but I'm not sure. So I'm just going to say $400 extra a month in my gig work, which is Uber Eats and DoorDash. Okay? So that's the way I did it. Now, anything extra, because it's only the beginning of the month. So I assume, in my mind, y'all, anything extra like that I make outside of that, I will list it. But I'm just starting my budget. Okay? So with my Home Depot checks, let me get my calculator. Y'all know I'm new to this part of it. So let's see. So my Home Depot check on the 10th should be over 7, but I'm going to give it 700 once they take out everything. It should be like almost 8, but you know, with taxes, Medicare, and all that. So I just said 700 because I'm not sure yet because I haven't got the check. Now, y'all let me know. Do y'all wait till y'all get y'all actual checks to do y'all monthly budget? Like, how does that work? Because I'm not sure. Okay, so I expect to get, because I already got my schedule for the rest of the month. So this is how, now on the 10th on missing, but you know. Okay, so on the 10th, I'm expecting $700 for sure, okay? And on the 24th, $600 for sure. That's what it's looking like with my hours, okay? Plus, I'm adding $400, which I didn't add. So let me add that. Which I did not add already. So let's see. I don't even know. I'll just say 10. I don't know what date. Gig work or Uber. I'll say 400. Okay. So let's add that up. So we have 700 plus. Ooh, my calculator dirty. I just don't use it. It just be sitting here collecting dust, honey. Plus 400. Okay, that's 1,700. Okay. So for mortgage and rent, you guys, I got $1,000. So minus that. And then for my electricity, now we were blessed to find a company to help pay it. They gave me a voucher for $750, but it haven't hit yet. So they saying it can take 30 to 60 days. Like, what help is that? Like, it's help, thank you, but I still got to pay it. And or you know, they're not responsible. You still got to pay it, okay, until you get the money. So I don't know when I'm gonna get the money. So I put 300 for my electricity. Okay, so that leaves us with $400. And then grocery, I did sign up for EBT. They do give us EBT now, and we get $387 a month for a family of 4. So, y'all, it don't last. It do not last. So I put $100 supplement for groceries, and we'll buy groceries cash too. We both do, because we got 2 growing boys, a going on 13-year-old and the 18-year-old with a man husband, and these fellas can eat. I mean, they will eat you out of house and home like you got money like that. Okay, so we're gonna put 100 for the groceries, and then fuel, gas. So I put $100 a month for gas, which will be more. I understand that. But in my mind, y'all, my Uber Eats, like, I know I'm going to make more than $100 a week. So I'm going to have to figure out how I'm going to add that in. You know what I mean? But basically, with this amount that I have right here in my budget is for my main bills. And my Uber Eats, I got to figure out with my Uber Eats and DoorDash, I got to figure out like how to work that in, because I know I want to use it for my budgeting. Okay? All right. So, let's see. So, we have the groceries, we have the fuel, and my dad gave us a personal loan. So, this is my 3rd month paying him back $100, and he gave me $800. So I have $100 going to my dad, and we have like 5 more payments to him. And then my pawn bill. Yeah, your girl had to go pawn her stuff again. So, but I don't want to lose it. So I'm definitely going to pay it. And then maybe tax time, or if I can get ahead, then I will just get it out. Because this is like, y'all already know I'm only paying interest. But, you know, I don't want to lose my stuff. So that's just what I have to do. And then the final 100 would be for the pawn bill. So it is what it is. And this is so far. And that equals up to $1,700, you guys. $1,700. So now I have to figure out, I just have to make more money. Now, as far as my social media checks and stuff, I know I won't be getting anything for October. And that's fine, because, you know, this is a new month, and I'm definitely going to be working towards a check for November. But as of today, I won't be getting anything from Facebook, from TikTok, or from YouTube. Because like I told y'all in my live, I've been dealing with depression. And that's just what it is, you know. I just didn't want to, I felt like, I just didn't want to do nothing, okay? I didn't want to make no content. I felt like I was broke as hell. This life is not, you know, I don't know. I was in my sunken place, as I call it, okay? But it's okay, you know what I mean? I can't let my situation today dictate my future. And I've decided to get up, shake myself off, and get back on the wagon. And me not making content is a result of me not getting no check. Okay, and that's fine. Them consequences, me not, me not having $1 in my binders anymore. And then Jayden father too, by the way, he just started back paying child support this week. Okay, so he was paying them a couple of weeks, but I already told y'all that he ain't consistent. So for like 4 weeks, 3 or 4 weeks, Jayden didn't get anything, but he got $48, which he needed some stuff. He got $48 a couple of days ago. So I don't know if he gonna get something next month or not, but that's what's going on. That's what happened, okay? So anyway, you guys, another thing, I'm going to go through my binders, and I'm just going to, I'm just going to take my time, and I'm really going to stick with this budget, try to do this, at least for my main bills. Because one thing I found, you guys, is I even got backed up on my main bills. I'm behind on my part. You know what I mean? We'll put more than half. He paid like 70%. You know what I mean? He have a lot of these bills that I don't have. Like he has water. He has phone, internet. He has what else he got? He got the car maintenance. He been buying the clothes for the boys. Well, Renzo, he work. He buy his own clothes, but he been buying Jayden clothes. He buy my clothes too, well, which I don't really get nothing really, because I just, give me some money, honey. I don't need no more clothes. But anyway, yeah. So, and stuff like that, household supplies like tissue and stuff like that. We both buy that, but it's not in my budget here, you guys. I'm going to have to find a way once I can get more money, because last month I did catch a sale. No, last month my old job gave me a $100 gift card for Labor Day. And I went and stocked up on tissue, laundry soap. That's all I bought. Tissue, paper towel, and laundry soap. And it was BOGO with the whole $100. Why did I do that, y'all? Because I was like, I don't know when I'm going to get another chance. You know what I mean? I don't know when I'm going to get another chance to catch this sale and stock up. And it was right on time. So we got tissue, we got paper towel, and we got laundry detergent. So we're not worried about that because I took care of that with that gift card, okay? So, y'all, this is my first time doing a budget. Like I repeated. Oh, you guys, if you like this video, or if you like other videos like Ride With Me While I Do Uber Eats, Let's Go Bargain Shopping, Let's Go Look and See what stores got in them and how much it costs, and cash envelope stuffing and things like that, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the like for your girl. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna stick to this budget. If y'all have any other tips for me, or if I missed something, or heck, if I just did the whole thing wrong, let me know that too, because I have no clue what I'm doing. One thing I do know is I've been doing it wrong, because I'm 50 with not a what. Well, I do. Oh, that brings me to this. It's called a portum. They take little amounts out of your checking and savings account or checking account, and every little bit adds up. Now, I will post it in the video, a screenshot of my savings, and that's all I have. Plus, what I have the money I have with the video I'm gonna make after this. So, like I said, I'm 50 years old with not $100 in my savings or cash or nothing. Okay, and that's got to change. I don't want to go into next year, 2025, being broke. Okay, and I'm sure you don't either. Most of y'all, who knows? Some of y'all broke like me, and some of y'all can relate because y'all was there. You just stayed on your path long enough. It's good. You got it good right now. You're doing good, and thank you for you, because people like y'all, the people who made videos, who got all the stuff and the money, and you know what I mean, in their videos, y'all were there for the people who trying and coming. So I gotta give y'all respect. And if I keep going, one day I'll be financially at least stable, where I don't have to worry, where I don't have to worry. Like, right now I'm worried. And, that brings on my depression, and I'm not trying to worry, y'all. okay? But you know what? I give up on worry. I give my worries to the Lord, okay? I give all my worries to the Lord because it's nothing. I work multiple jobs. It's nothing I can do. And I got to, when I start feeling depressed and all out of my body about my life situations, I got to thank God because guess what? We've been late multiple times on the rent. We a month behind right now. But guess what? Landlord sending the lease renewal because you know what? God knows when you trying all you can try, okay? When you doing all you can do. I just got to let him do the rest, So, and just me, keep getting up, moving, doing what I got to do. I can't lay in the bed, and put that cover over my head. Y'all feel me? I got to get up and make something shake. So, that is my mission, y'all. And that is what my intentions are moving forward. So, today is October 4th. And I'm happy to see another day. Okay, you guys, and this is my first budgeting video, okay? Thank you guys for budgeting with me. I appreciate all of y'all love and support and kind words. They are needed. Do not stop giving us new and struggling budgeters, savers, cash stuffers. Please continue to pour into us because we definitely need it. We definitely need the support, okay? Because it's hard out here. It is so hard out here for some of us. It's some people giving up on life. And I don't even want that to be me, The world need me, honey. All right, y'all. Don't forget to hit a like and subscribe to my channel, And I really appreciate you guys. Again, thanks so much for watching. Bye.